told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Sometimes I prefer watching a movie or playing game with the lights off, so that I can experience the true visuals of the game or movie. So for me, I personally prefer watching in home theater. So let's check with the lights turned off. So when I turn off the lights, see, the picture is very clear, but sometimes I feel like there is any additional lighting in the background, it will be good. So for me, what I did, I just found some backlight for the television, which is like this. Although it have RGB, even I can change the colors. There are a lot of color combinations here. This is a remote control. Let me switch on the light. This is a remote control which I got. So with this one, I can change different combinations of lights, rainbow, even the lights work with the sounds also, like based on the music which is playing, I can synchronize the lighting with the audio. But sometimes I feel if the lights are synchronized with the television, it would be much better. So see here, the lights in the background, they're playing pretty cool. They're good, but what I think, if it is synchronized with the television, even though, see, this is something rainbow color, but it's not synchronized with the television color. So I found another product. So let me show you. So this product, RGB LED backlight with camera, this for the television at between 65 inch to 55 inch. So it comes with the camera, an adapter, and this is the LED lights itself. This is a user manual. So before starting, we need to download the application. This is just a generic one. So actually I got this product for 37 USD from AliExpress. This is just a generic one, it's not a brand, it's from China. So these are the instructions how to connect this LED strip to the television, and application to download on Android and Apple iOS. Let me install this one first on my television. Here we go, guys. I just finished the installation. This is the camera. So it have two USB ports here. So I connected the LED strip to one of the two USB ports, and this is the power on off button. Here we have a microphone slot, and this LED. This is a power, the adapter which I got, I connected to this one. So I install the LED strips behind my television. So these LED strips, they covers all four sides of the television. I just installed along with my old LED strip. So here you can see it's perfectly synchronized. Let me show you properly. So see, now the LED lights behind the television, they change based on the image which I play on the television. So let's check out.
Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Like nothing I found, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.